Hello everyone, today I present the recipe for Sicilian caponata. We start from the ingredients. 2 fresh eggplants, chopped celery, tomato puree, a few basil leaves, 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon capers, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a cup of white vinegar, 1 onion finely chopped, 10 almonds, 100 grams of pitted olives, salt and pepper to taste. Let's cut the eggplants. Cut the eggplant into slices of the height of at least an inch. We will do the usual procedure for eggplants. We will do the rest for about 1 hour covered with coarse salt. With this process, the eggplant will eliminate all the bitter water. After an hour, we'll wash the eggplant under running water and dry it with a paper towel. Cut the eggplants into cubes and pour in the hot oil until golden. When we have all the fried eggplants, begin to prepare the base of the sauce. Take a pan and add plenty of extra virgin olive oil. The time now is hot and add the chopped onion. Celery, preferably cook it for a few minutes to make it softer. The ingredients have to fry and brown. We add a bit of salt and a little pepper. Add the capers. Add the pitted olives. We add the tomato puree. All must cook for 15 minutes. While the mixture is cooking, add the basil leaves. For the last, add the sugar and a little less than half a cup of white vinegar. We continue to cook. Sugar and vinegar are added at will according to personal tastes. Once the 15 minutes, we can combine our eggplant. We mix all the ingredients. Our caponata will be very good. Caponata will served cold. It will be more tasty if you eat it the next day. The flavors of the ingredients are enhanced more. This is the end result of our recipe. We compose the dish. Sprinkle with chopped almonds and add the basil leaves as decoration. Here's to you, our caponata. Bon appétit!